Alright, in this video we are gonna play some video games, but I will speed it up so it should make for an interesting video. So in this video we're gonna be playing Beach Buggy Racing 2, and our goal is to try to unlock some new stuff, new maps, new cars, new everything. So let's test it out. Here we go. And you can see we're crushing it. All right, new racetrack unlocked. All right, new car unlocked. I got the Cybertruck officially available. All right, that was the whole point of doing this. All right, so we're gonna use the Dance Fever and finally drive with the Cybertruck in the Sun City Strip. All right, here we go. Excuse me, I need to beat all these levels so that I can unlock all the stuff. All right, now we're officially in the Cybertruck. Let's go. Honestly, this game is a lot of fun, especially if you're using a Bluetooth controller. I got my PlayStation controller, and it's a lot of fun. It works great, as you can see. It's very sensitive for it to be like working perfectly, just like when you're turning, it turns perfectly. A lot better than the steering wheel works. It's kind of hard to use it on the steering wheel. But check it out. I got the Cybertruck, and I'm wrecking everything that moves right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, alright, I looked away and I got wrecked for a second. Oh, I didn't even make that jump. Oh no, I'm slipping. I can't be talking and playing. I'm 5th place now. Oh my gosh, this is a difficult actually level with all the cars coming at you. This is pretty crazy. A lot of fun though. We gotta go this way. Alright, and just like that, I managed to get into 1st place again. Nice. Alright, cool. Let's see if we can... Oh my gosh, look at this Cybertruck just ramming through cars like it's nothing. Alright. Sweet. Got the Cybertruck unlocked. Oh my gosh, look how powerful it is. It's crazy. They definitely hooked it up in this game. Oh, I better make the jump. Alright, maybe this time. What is this donut? So I can... How did I miss that? No, I missed it. Alright, hopefully it looks like I got a nice lead in front of everyone. Let's see if we can finish this one out. Oh, we got stuck. Oh no, here's their chance to come back. Is that the finish line right there? He's right behind me. That's crazy. Look, 2:16:02 and 2:16.34. Literally was right behind me. El Zippo. Now I need to unlock the Model X Plaid and the Model 3 Performance. Ooh, but I got the Cybertruck at least. That's so cool. New racetrack unlocked. So I guess as long as you beat... I got the Model 3 Performance unlocked. So cool. So you can see that there. I got the Model 3 Performance, got the Cybertruck, Model X, Model S, Model 3, Model Y. So now we got the official full lineup here. So cool. Alright, hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe for more. I'm definitely gonna do some more video game videos. So if you enjoyed this, make sure you hit that like button and let me know. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.